Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on the smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your smart band, or rather from your phone on the smart band, your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone. In the app, let's tap on the device icon. And now you should see the device page for your Xiaomi Smart Band 7. On this page, you should see the category called Notification and Calls. And in it, we have options like App Notifications and Incoming Calls. Let's tap on the App Notifications first. And if you don't have required permissions enabled, you will see this message right here. You can tap on OK. It's gonna redirect you to notification access. Now find the Mi Fitness on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, and tap on allow. And then you can tap on the back button to go back, like this. And at this point, you should be able to enable or disable the app notifications. And once you enable them, you should see the couple of options. First option, receive only when the phone is locked. If you enable this option and you're using your phone, the screen is unlocked on it, you won't be receiving the notifications on your smart band. The second option is wake screen. If you enable this option and receive the notification on your smart band, it's gonna wake up the screen on your smart band. Next we have mirror phone, and if you enable this option, you will receive every notification from your phone on the smart band. So basically everything you get right here on your phone is gonna go to the smart band. If you disable this option, you can tap on custom notifications, and here you can customize from which apps you're gonna receive the notifications on your smart band. You can enable and disable the notifications by tapping on the switch next to the app, like that. Then tap done. And once you're done with the notifications for the applications, we can go back and tap on incoming calls. And here we can enable the notifications for calls. So if somebody is calling you, the smart band will vibrate. And also display the contact, I believe, and number who's calling you. So let's enable the vibration option by tapping on the switch, and we need to allow the permissions, like that. And now we should be able to receive the notifications about calls on our smart band. You can also enable the option to reply with message, and if you enable it, you need to allow the permission for the messages, and you will be able to tap on quick responses here, and you can set up some quick responses for you to respond to the call with the text. You can tap on edit button to move the responses through the list, like that, to remove them. And if you want to add a new one, tap on the add button right here, and you can enter the message and tap on the check mark to confirm. Okay. And below the quick responses, we have delay alerts. If you enable this option, basically you can delay the alert on the smart band. So if somebody is calling you and you set the delay for, I don't know, 20 seconds, the smart band will start vibrating only after 20 seconds when you receive the call on your phone. And at this point, we should be able to receive the notifications. So let's check it. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, I got the notification on our phone and also on our band. And we can swipe right on the screen or delete or tap on delete to skip it or remove it. Also, we can open the notification menu by swiping down from the top of the screen on the home screen, like this. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.